What's up, everybody? Hey, I'm gonna bring y'all with me today. We're gonna do a little exploring. We're gonna get out here, kind of walk around, and it's like a nice day since it's been snowing out. I guess you could call it a heat wave. I'm sorry. Look like it's probably in the lower 30s. It's not below zero like it was yesterday morning. Alright, we're going to go and we're going to look over the bluff here, guys. We're going to look down here at the lake. Kind of show you guys around a little bit. Both of us are getting out the house. Alright, guys. What do y'all think? Not a bad winter shot. As I say, the sun is peeking out today a little bit. Can't even see my own breath, so man, that's a big improvement. Did you guys just check that out? Part of the lake is frozen. I wonder what this here was right here. It almost looks like you can walk in it. I don't know if you just sit there. That look like it's probably a trail down that way, but I wouldn't venture off that way. Not with all that snow and ice down there. Let me look down. There is still ice and snow down here, as you guys can probably hear. Volleyball set up down that way. You guys can see the sun that's glaring off of me. Alright guys, this sun feels great, man. I'm telling you. Such a big difference in the weather from days ago. The other morning, it was about 8 below zero. Today it was 13 degrees above zero. So, big improvement, big improvement. Alright guys. Y'all back with me. Alright, so where I'm taking you guys now, we're going to an area that is normally a waterfall, but right now it's frozen because of the frigid temperatures that was out here. It is frozen out here. So as I say, this is a waterfall, and I am walking on a lot of ice, so I'm going to try to be careful so I don't become a fall victim. So, you guys look behind me. That's a waterfall that has frozen. Like I say here, the temperatures was below zero here for a couple of days, and that is what we have. Is the Lovers Frozen Fall and Pond. I'm going to take my hand out of my pocket. You can still hear the water run of now. So the water is still flowing, but the top part of the water has frozen. Like I said, I'm gonna be careful because it is slick out here. That water flows there, it goes up under the creek here, then it goes on into the lake out there. Alright guys, we're gonna get off this ice. It is slippery. Matter of fact, I better go the way I came. Be careful. It looked like it's snow, yeah, but it's ice. On the top anyway. Alright, man, but you guys see other folks are coming over to see the frozen fall. But all of this is ice. So you gotta be very careful coming out here. Basically stepping into trenches so you won't fall and do damage to yourself. Alright. See what else we can explore while we out here. Let's say it's thus far the best day in the week. The sun is out. We're in the 30s, so we getting out the house. Actually, the lake, as you guys can see, it is frozen. I think some guys are just trying to walk off there. All right. So I guess everybody wanted to get out today, huh? Gas lines are crazy. But when you're paying $2.47 per gallon, I'll wait a minute also. Alright guys, we're going to gas up a little bit. We're going to keep this day in motion. Alright guys, let's go. This is one of the little places I usually come. Find little whatnot, especially for camping. You can come here and most of what I get out is electronic stuff. Like I said, I do find some things here for camping. So every time I come and donate, I just go in just to look. 90% of the time I don't buy anything because I'm still trying to get rid of stuff. But that's a good way to wind down. Alright guys, so you guys see where we at, right? We're going to go in and just relieve a little stress. Like I said, the weather broke today, the sun is out, we're in the 30s. And coming from below zero, that feels like a nice day. Alright, so yeah, we are here at Dave & Buster's. We're going to go in here. We're going to de-stress for a little bit. We're going to go in here and play some games. And I'm going to take y'all with me, alright? So let's go see what's up in here. Alright guys, here we go. Take you guys with me as we go in here and we do our thing. Alright.
defense guns are down. Line the control panel, then bring them back online. I've overridden the controls. Use these guns to hold off the Covenant fighters.
All right, everybody. Hey, look, I thank you all for come hanging out with me today on a short notice. This is your boy, Growth, with getting out of the house. Just wanted to get out today. The weather was nice. The sun is was out, but now it's trying to go down. But just wanted to kind of get out and just hang out for a little bit. Get a video up for you guys. But thank you, and everybody be blessed. And all right, until next time.